Is there an example you can take us through where you're trying to do something and how you interface with Cursor and chat with it?
Here I typed add and design to provide and design. I can type add and provide the file that we are seeing here, the staffing vote file that I have open. You can also click the plus button here and do the same. Let's say you have a file that you know works and you want to use it as reference. You can also type add and find the file or provide a folder. So that's usually how I start. I start providing the context that I want, and then I just say, hey, let's replace the descriptions. And I have selected here Claude, so it will use Claude. And it will start showing me just the diff, the changes that it will apply. And here I can already see what it is doing. I know that we have the descriptions here inside of this component. It looks like it is doing what I need. So what I can do, I can hit apply here. And after hitting apply, it's still not actually applied to the code. It shows here what it is removing, what it is replacing it with. And I can still come here and say, hey, you forgot to remove the descriptions. You're not using it anymore. So if I now come here and delete this, it will be part of the difference that will get applied. So let's say I like this. I can hit Control and Enter, and then that's done. I have the console here. And I know that we got no errors, but let's say that variable was here and we got an error after applying that. We will get the error down here, and I can provide the chat with this error by clicking this button, Add to Chat. And if I do that and say, hey, we got this error, it will say, oh, all right, I forgot. I need to remove this library here, and then I can just hit apply and it will say, hey, I'm removing it. I can do Control Enter. So, and now I see my terminal has no errors. And now I would go where I'm rendering this to the screen and see if everything looks fine there. And if it doesn't, one thing that I can do is I can take a screenshot and paste it here because it also accepts images as context or input.